Hello, my name is Nicolas Gomez. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about the Ngn Architecture Concepts, answering the following questions. So, a media gateway is a translation device that converts media streams between dissimilar telecommunication networks. Originally conceived to bridge legacy time division multiplexing (TDM) based voice networks with next generation IP protocols based on voice networks. Media gateways are now used to convert a voice and multimedia sessions in a wide variety of enterprise and service provider applications. Also, media gateways makes multimedia communications possible over next-generation networks on multiple transport protocols, such as asynchronous transfer mode (ADM) and Internet Protocol (IP). A media gateway is simply a piece of hardware containing different functions and algorithms to perform conversions of multimedia transfer protocols to send and receive them from over different types of network. In the enterprise media, gateway enables corporate IT organizations to add sessions initiation protocol trunking services to legacy PBX installations, connect legacy infrastructures to new IP-based cores, protect and extend previous TDM and analog equipment investments, preserve existing and like equipment. An example of an enterprise using a media gateway to connect a SAP trunk to a legacy TDM PBX is the next one. Media gateway control. This is defined by the protocol commonly known as H.248. This is a standard protocol for handling the signaling and the sessions management needed during a multimedia conference. The protocol defines a means of communication between a media gateway, which converts data from the format required for a circuit switch network to that required for a packet switch network, and the media gateway controller. The advantage of this is that it creates a centralized gateway administration and provides for largely scalable IP telephony solutions. A signaling gateway, SGW, is a network component used for sending signaling messages between common channel signaling (CCS) nodes, which communicate with the help of different transports and protocols. The transport conversion is usually from signaling system 7 to IP. Various signaling networks are interconnected using a signaling gateway. A signaling gateway can be used as a standalone network element or as an integrated part of some other network. The SGOW function can be incorporated within the larger operational domain of the signal transfer point. The key SGW functions that establish the connection between an SS7 network and VoIP network are as follows. Transparency. This means that the SGW must be transparent to both the SS7 network and the VoIP. Translation. The address translation between the SS7's addressing scheme, point codes, and the VoIP network IP addresses is carried out by the SGWs. And trusted routing. The trademark of the SS7 network is that dependability of the messages delivery. How are these three concepts related to Ngn? So, as I said before, media gateway is because their main function is to convert different coding and transmission techniques to enable multimedia communications possible over next generation networks in different protocols. Media gateway control, because the advantage of this is that it creates a centralized gateway administrations and provides for a largely scalable IP telephony solutions. And the signaling gateway, because the key of the SGW function is that it establishes connection between the SS7 network and VoIP network as follows in the three concepts that I defined before. So this is a scheme where I can see all the three concepts related in the network.